Aarti, nice dress.
Yeah, I was just about to say that.
Thank you.
All my speakers are sexy men.
Today had a very hectic day since morning. I'm on Zoom.
Now I'll become a zombie. The new way of learning.
We are having an international dog summit. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Good.
Aarti, for you, I have got focus on family and whatever blocks that you're facing right now, last few times it's just family. So your protection is improving. Whatever you're doing, please continue to do that. And the way you're looking at things now, I think is drastically changing. So that in itself again is going to really push you to new heights. So take that as your benchmark. Okay, now this is what I have achieved by changing my viewpoint about certain things. So keep it at that. So work with that, because there are still a few blocks, like the block is right in between. So you are feeling a lot. You might be feeling a lot, very suffocated right now with a lot of things, but it will open up. So just continue with your chants, continue with your protection, and things will open up. Don't worry. All the
भाई
best.
लोग आपको
Thank
एक
you.
राज बता देती हूँ बेनी का.
मेरा राज.
She will tell you block है, but she will also be very sweet and say निकल जाएगा. ये भी वक्त निकल जाएगा, and that's what I love about her. Yes.
But thank you.
Yes. Next, Bhupinder Singh, हमारे सरदार जी, प्राजी.
Hi, Bhupinder. Any questions?
Hello. No, I will go with the flow.
Okay.
पता नहीं कहाँ flow कर रहा है, but sorry, हाँ भूपेंद्र में ज़्यादा पढ़ाई हो गई आज.
हाँ, अच्छा है. तो हमें भी उतना ही ज़्यादा नॉलेज मिलेगा. हमारे लिए अच्छा है.
फिर ऐसे.
Bhupinder, for you, it's showing that you want to transition into a phase of education. You want to transition into a phase of more abundance with knowledge. And that it's going to happen. It's working its way towards that. You just have a few challenges on the way. Use your intuition and work towards it. You will achieve that. And a very beautiful formation has formed where the family is with showing 3. So you could be 3 in a family. So keep that bond together and work with it. You're getting a lot of intuition. You're getting messages as to how to keep that bond together, as to how you can make the most out of this time that you are in with them. So please utilize this time that you're with them. Work with yourself for your protection, your family's protection, and things are looking really good for you actually. So all the best. Thank you.
Thank
Wonderful.
you. Yes, we are 3.
Thank you. Yeah, 3. Okay.
The next reading we will do for Rashmi Nagpal Arora, Dr. Rashmi Nagpal Arora.
Hi, Dr. Rashmi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Binaika?
Good.
I
After
love
a long time.
Yes, I love your lovely face.
Thank you. Any questions?
No questions. Only what Binaika has to say. No questions.
Karuna, I hope you saw the video. CAT cat.
Oh, it was
Yes, I did.
It was lovely.
Oh, yes.
R.A.T. Rat.
I put it on the
Yes.
Facebook.
Yeah.
Rashmi, I feel there are times when you're pushing yourself out of your boundaries, working beyond what you should be doing. And that could at times really take you again into a shell. So work on that, work with that knowledge now that this is happening, and it could be a pattern. I don't know if you feel that this is a pattern and you tend to overstretch yourself for people, and then you just go back into your shell. So work with that. You need to work a lot on your protection. Please work on that. Don't ignore yourself. You need to use your intuition for yourself as well, not just for your family. Reach out to more people for whatever you need to do, whether it is to promote yourself, whether it is to ask for help. It could be any sort of help, but just reach out there, because in reaching out, a lot of issues of yours are going to get resolved. And you need to be happy for yourself. There are times where you're not feeling that. There are times where you're just feeling that, okay, I'm just going on. So, but you're not happy. So do things that make you happy, and maybe this reaching out will make you happy. So work on that and have fun with that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vinayaka.
Thank you.
That was a brilliant message. Couldn't be more apt.
Thank
Let's
you.
go next to Karuna.
Yes. Hi, tell me.
Hi. So what are the cowries telling me?
Okay. So Karuna, for you right now, you are really working on pushing out whatever blocks that could possibly be in your life. So you're really, really working towards that. You are working towards a beautiful spiritual journey. Your focus though is very rooted that you are working on yourself. You want to work on yourself right now only. So with that, there could be some issues that you are facing with, which is within yourself. This is something that I'm getting, nothing external. It's just within yourself that you're trying to figure out a lot of things, and trying to just sort them out in your head. So do that, because once that is done, it's going to be like a free flowing you. And that's what you want to achieve. So blocks are out. Actually, you have already kicked out the blocks out of the chart. It's gone out of the chart. But yeah, just take it easy. Don't overstress and overburden yourself to an extent that you don't overstretch yourself. That's what I mean. And work along with your family as well in a few aspects. That will again open up a lot more for you than you're expecting. Actually, a lot more wisdom when you're integrating your husband, your daughter with your work. It's going to open up a lot more for you. So work with that. Thank you.
Wonderful. If we could have reading for Rajiv Bhatnagar on the Facebook. He's asking that his sweetheart has not contacted him for the last 1 month. Is there any possibility, and by when will she connect with her? Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So this is going to take time. The time frame I'm getting is still a 3-month wait. So yeah, it's going to take time. There are certain issues. If you feel that you want to get in touch with her earlier, you'll have to reach out, maybe via friends, via family, via somebody who's in common. You need to reach out through that. Only then it is a possibility it could happen earlier. But otherwise, take it 3 months, 3 to 5 months still. No news from her. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Let's do one reading for Sumita Mendirata.
Yes.
Namaste, sister.
Hi Anu. Namaste जी. क्या हालचाल?
First class चल रहा है.
So, Sumita, for you, I'm getting a focus on family, and you could have some issues maybe with somebody who you're really close to. It could be a family friend, it could be your immediate family. So just try and see the situation from all possible angles, not only from your perspective. Once you start seeing things from a different perspective, a lot will be revealed and things will get sorted out. So don't worry, just change your viewpoint about how you're looking at things and things will get sorted out. Thank you.
चलो Benifer, I'm
Thank you.
also a speaker. मेरे लिए भी कर दो.
Yes.
I've become a little bit more selfish nowadays. We must have a Dhasu session on the 100th, my dear girl.
Yes. Sure.
So would be everyone reaches out to Benifer's house and say, "Abhi mera country ko bana." 9:30 Ting
Government
Tong
of India will pick you up.
with FB Live.
Okay, Anu, today the Kauris
Don't want to answer.
don't want to answer you. They want to tell you that work with your family, but with more openness, and work with yourself with more openness. Karmic clearing is happening. Things are moving, but maybe not at the speed that you want them to. So just accept that and move, but keep moving. Don't stop.
Okay.
Thank you.
क्या बोले थक जाना नहीं तो कहीं हार के रुक जाना.
Yes.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank
I'm
you.
waiting for your 100th.